Yo! Super excited for this unboxing review video because this item I have been wanting since it came out, and then when I saw it in person I wanted it even more because I was like, whoa, this is actually amazing quality. And yeah, you can see I'm repping the merch, Billie Eilish, so it's a Billie Eilish piece, not really merch, more of an actual clothing collaboration because she's actually so huge that Nike's just like, come make clothes with us, you know? It's one of those things, like how Travis Scott's so huge, he just freaking makes all this whatever he wants with Nike and Jordan. Kind of like that, you know? Billie Eilish is on that level, got to that level, so they're like, okay, let's make some clothing. So she got some shoes. I really want the shoes, but I haven't been able to get those yet. They're even on sale, and I was like, damn, I almost got them, but I don't know if I will. It's just one of those things. It's like, I don't know, maybe I'll get the green ones, because I was thinking, like, about the colors and like how they'll get dirty and stains super easy, blah blah blah. So yeah, today we're gonna be looking at the Billie Eilish Nike collaboration sweatpants. Very exciting video, unboxing video for you guys. I've been waiting for this, wanting this forever. Got them on sale, luckily. They've sold out, they've been popping in and out. I could have got them even cheaper a long time ago because they've been like up and down all around on sale. You know what I mean? Because like the website that I shop on, Sense, that's where I got these. It's like things will come in stock, out of stock all the time. Sometimes they'll be out of stock for good, and it's like, it's just crazy. They must just have a giant warehouse or something. So here we have some Billie Eilish sweatpants, or it could even be a return or something. Because it does. Is there dirt on it, or is that just a fluff? Oh, they're such amazing quality though. I've already like thoroughly checked these out in store. Billie Eilish sweatpants, so fire. I am so excited for these. Ooh, recycle that. Okay, let's unbox this. The Sense bag that it comes in. You can right away see that beautiful, high quality, kind of like sparkly black print. Like this kind of like plasticky acrylic, what do you, like this rubber print that they emboss on here. And then, also right away you see the tag, the check, like the Nike Lab kind of check, like the high quality Nike check. It's always like the one that goes straight up, not the sideways, X, and then the Billie Eilish logo. And I got medium, made in Pakistan, where most of their shit's made, like their higher quality stuff I find. And then we got another tag here. See, it's all kind of like bent up. But yeah, so fire. And then another, same deal, straight up Nike logo. It's kind of like busted up a little bit. Like it looks like it's all like scratched up. Like damn, that kind of sucks. Even the back when I noticed it kind of looked like that. Maybe it was just like a bad factory print. It was the only one left, so could have just been a return. Maybe someone got it and they noticed that right away. They're like, I don't want this. I don't really know. Could have got sent back. YKK zippers, that's one thing I was like right away why I really did want it, is because of just like the zipper pockets. You can never go wrong with that. And they're just such high quality. Like it's a thick sweatpant, zipper pockets, so high quality. You can even see like little detailing on the inlets on the end of the nice drawstrings. You can like see the texture on them. It's like very nicely woven ones. Very nice indeed. All the stitching looks nice, perfect size waistband. I love these. Ooh, and this beautiful tan khaki color, which will pretty much just go with everything. I wasn't gonna get these because I just caught these Flatbush sweatpants that just dropped for the holiday drop. I did a unboxing video for those, and I've been wearing them a lot. Those are like the same kind of color. Maybe these are a bit darker, but same color. So I was like, I didn't want to get these because I hate buying like the same colors over and over, like when I could just buy more variety, get something different. But I wanted these so bad, and they're these so nice, so thick. It's this nice high quality kind of like polyester cotton mix. Where's the material tag? Right here, up here. So yeah, it's 84% cotton and then 16% polyester. So only a little bit of polyester just to give it that sleek feel, but I love it. It's like such a nice high quality cotton that they use. And the nice tapered ankles with beautiful stitching down the legs. Ooh! And now we're gonna try them on. So yeah, that's all the detailing. It's just the check and the Billie Eilish on the back. I thought there was a bit more, but oh well. And they're a little bit oversized, that baggy fit, but I love it because that's the perfect fit for me. It's gonna shrink a little bit after you dry it, then you can, or after you wash it, and then you can even dry it too, and you don't have to worry about it just not fitting. It's actually perfect. Like, it's a baggy fit, but it's fit. Like, it feels like it's almost like a woman's fit because it's like the perfect length, but then it's fake. And then a little bit of space one. The waistband doesn't matter, so you can throw them up. Yeah, I don't know. It's like, these are perfect. Usually pants, sweatpants are too long and baggy. These are baggy and not long, so these are actually perfect. This is fire. I just have to figure out what sweater it's gonna go with, because this doesn't really go with it, unfortunately, even though it's Billie Eilish. You can see the tour dates on the back. I went to see her in Toronto. Most fire concert ever. Saw her in Denzel Curry. Literally the dopest concert. I didn't even, like, whole story behind it. Went, got like, just like some cheap seats way out in on like the field kind of thing, which is just like up on the hill. And didn't even expect Denzel Curry to go because the thing said, like, you know how like on tour dates it'll say like, oh, an X beside the date where the artist is coming with the person, and it said that he wasn't coming. So I was really nervous about that. Or not nervous, I was really disappointed about that. So then when we were in the like right when we got in, I was like buying a drink, talking to the lady at the vending stand, and she was like, the vendor, and she was like, yeah, are you guys gonna go see like the pre-concert? And I was like, what? She's like, yeah, it's just about to start in a couple minutes. Oh, that's sick, who is it? And then she showed me, and it was Denzel Curry, and I was like, yo, because I had a feeling. I was like, yo, is it Denzel Curry? Like, show me the list. And she showed me the schedule, and it was Denzel Curry, and I was like, yo, and we made it perfect time too, because it was like the one time for a concert I actually came like an hour early. So dope. That was so fun. Probably the best concert of my life. One of them. Pretty turned. It was a good time. That was so fun. I love that. Such a vibe. Always vibe. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll do a quick preview at the end like I always do. Hope you enjoyed. That's about it for now. Yeah, peace everybody.